Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Poco X7. For that you will need the settings form. So just scroll down here right next to the camera, scroll down right next to the camera, and then you are here at the control center. And the part of the control center is here always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. And now you need to go down to the point additional settings. It has a gray icon with a white dot in it and another 3 gray dots. Or you just count from below. It is on the 4th position. Okay, just tap the additional settings. Now you will need the second point, languages and input. And after you will need the first point, languages. And I can choose from many languages and so on. And some languages are having also local dialects like in English here. So just choose your language. Let's choose here English with the dialect of India. And the phone will immediately change to English also, or in the language you have chosen. Yeah, that's it. It's taking a few seconds and now the phone have changed the language. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.